In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis, but more precisely, we will see plusieurs. So, this lesson is about plusieurs. And plusieurs means several. So, it designates a number not too important, but greater than 2. So this is important, it's greater than 2, but it's not too important. It can be used, there is no is here, it can be used as an adjective or as a pronoun. So of course we'll cover first the adjective. J'ai commandé plusieurs livres. J'ai commandé plusieurs livres. So as you can see, in that case, plusieurs is connected to livres. J'ai commandé plusieurs livres. Let's see another situation when plusieurs is used as an adjective. Nous inviterons plusieurs amis. Nous inviterons plusieurs amis. So remember, as an adjective, j'ai commandé plusieurs livres. Nous inviterons plusieurs amis. So let's see now when we use it as a pronoun. Remember, it can. There is no is here. Sorry for the mistake. Je vais en prendre plusieurs. Je vais en prendre plusieurs. So in that situation, you can see that definitely plusieurs is not an adjective here. Je vais en prendre plusieurs. Il en a pris plusieurs. Il en a pris plusieurs.